everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Gia Academy. My name is Gina, and for today's video, we'll give you an update about the Jollibee. Kung tradable ba ito. So as I promised yesterday na gagawa ko ng video about Jollibee. So this is it. And of course, if you are watching right now, you are in the good spot. But please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to notify you every time na meron tayong mga bagong upload. So yan ang mahalaga at sinisiguro ko sa iyo na meron kang mga natutunan dito sa channel na to every week. I have here the chart. I have labeled the chart. So, ni-labeled ko na siya para mas madaling explain. Dahil ito yung way ni Elliott Wave, how they labeled the chart, kung paano nila i-analyze yung chart. So, I am using Elliott Wave strategy. So, this time, as you can see, this is the GFC daily chart from March 2020 up to December 9, 2020, the market is impulse. Okay, so meaning tumaas siya. Simula noong March 2020 up to December 9, 2020. So kahit pandemic, ay hindi nagpakabog talaga itong Jollibee, ay tumaas talaga siya. So, kagaya ng PSE. So hindi talaga nagpakabog si Jollibee kahit pandemic. So, and from December 9 to 2020, down to January 27, 2021, the market is moved into corrective wave, which is the ABC at 0.382, the retracement. And this time, we are looking for the opportunity to trade. So, our entry position at 180.1. That's our entry position today up to 231, the target price. So kapag nakarating dyan sa 231 ang price na yan, ang wave na to ay pwede na tayong mag-exit. Okay. So, manatili lamang tayo sa ating target up to 231. Dahil yan ang goals natin. So, goals is goals talaga. Kaya, panindigan kung ano yung mga plano mo sa buhay. So, ayan lang guys. I hope na meron kayong natututunan kahit short video lang ito kung paano basahin yung ating chart. So, thank you so much for watching and see you sa next video.